Listen, if you want any woman to miss you so badly that she can't stop thinking about you, you need to understand this one simple truth. People value what they feel they might lose. See, most guys do the opposite. They're always available. They reply instantly. They keep chasing, thinking it'll make her like them more. But in reality, it kills the mystery. It removes the spark. She doesn't have time to think about you because you never give her the space to. If you truly want her to miss you, you need to master the art of pulling back, not disappearing completely, but giving her moments to feel your absence. When you're not constantly around, she starts wondering, what is he doing? Who is he talking to? Why isn't he texting me right now? And that curiosity turns into craving. But here's the key. When you do show up, you have to bring value. Make her feel good. Make her laugh. Make her feel like the most special person in the room. That way, every time you're gone, she's not just missing a guy. She's missing the feeling you give her. So remember, it's not about games. It's about balance. Be present enough to create memories, but distant enough to make her want more. Do this, and trust me, she'll start chasing you. If you're ready to step into your confident, high-value self and create a magnetic pull she can't resist, this is the video for you.